right, well, it's almost a quarter after 6 a.m. on Monday, which is day number 3 for me of my 2-week European roadshow. The first, of course, being on the bus, and the second week in Berlin for TechEd Europe. Well, this is my last night in a hotel. I spent Saturday and Sunday night in hotels here in the Amsterdam area. We've got 3 gigs today around Amsterdam, and then this evening I go and spend my first night sleeping on the bus. So with that, I think I'm going to go and grab some breakfast before I meet Stephen and Ken to head over to CompuTrain for my very first presentation on Exchange Server 2010 as part of the bus tour.
So it'll be on the left, maybe this one here? No, it's a service station.
Very interesting place to conduct a training.
Could be. It's 90-something. It's all the 9.
This one.
99.
CompuTrain, there it is. There's the sign.
It's gone from the other side. It's 12.50.
We're going to do that and grab it up on video camera. We're going to win some money.
Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Ken Rosen. I'm the director of the Community and Evangelism team with Microsoft Learning in Redmond, Washington. We are truly living on this bus for 2 weeks. It's not a gimmick. Some folks have come up to us and asked us, are you guys really traveling by bus? Aren't you really getting on a plane? Aren't you really going by train? No, we're actually living on this bus. We do our events during the day. We'll be getting on the bus about 9 o'clock this evening and driving very slowly, I hope, to Frankfurt. On the screen is actually, that's the bus, right over there. This website that you're looking at is my team's blog. It's called Born to Learn, and you'll see it up on a couple of slides as we go.
My name is Stephen Rose. I work for a group called Springboard. I'm part of the Windows 17. I just arrived last night in Amsterdam from Redmond, Washington, where I'm headed out of, so it's about midnight right now in my head.
Thank you very much for everyone coming back. You're enjoying the event so far?
Yes, we do.
We do.
Excellent. All right. So once again, my name's Ian Hammeroff, and I am a Senior Technical Product Manager for the Exchange Product Management team, and also the only guy who didn't get the jeans and t-shirt memo. So we re-engineered our security model in Exchange 2010 that will now allow you to delegate administrative tasks and even user tasks, all focused back to what Ken was talking about earlier, the new efficiency. And also the high availability infrastructure changes we've made. The deployment flexibility that we give you by having you choose from whatever storage choice you want, whether it's SAN, enterprise class, direct attached storage, or even SATA drives. Like imagine running your data center off the same hard drives that are basically in our desktops and laptops.
You see it?
Extra.
Oh, there it is.
Here comes the bus.
Jumbo cruiser.
That is a jumbo cruiser.
Registered in which country?
I believe the UK.
Medium, good man.
Oh, it goes to the other side.
Medium. 30 now. No, double clicking, putting in your password, waiting for Connect, going through all of that. None of all those steps you currently do with VPN. It's gone. Using the hardware and the software you have within your infrastructure with Windows 7 and Server 2008.
Well, I am 2/3 done on day 1 of the bus tour. We just spoke at the local Dell office here in Amsterdam and on our way to our final spot. Earlier this morning we spoke to students at the CompuTrain BVO Center, Dell, and then we're off to, I believe, info support. This for our last stop today. And I'm up here on the second deck in the forward lounge area. We can see our GPS system running here, which allows you to track the bus's progress using Glimpse, and you can do that off the bustour.com. Here's a Dutch road right in front of us, one of the main highways here as we travel during somewhat rush hour, leaving the Dell campus and going off to the next location.
No, not yet.
Always asking ourselves, do 80% of the people do it 80% of the time? Occasionally I get a comment from people and they say to me, I don't do this. This is not part of my job. Well, that's the magic of numbers. There's 20% of the people who 20% of the time it's not going to be done. So that could be the case for you.